Marbert. How are you doing, sir? Are you having a nice day? No. You only have one leg, or what? Hi, sir. How are you feeling today? Are you feeling okay today, sir? No. How are you doing, sir? Ooh, precious. Wow. Man. Hope you have a good day, sir.